Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we got a special treat for you. We got another room tour here. We're here in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, and we're at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, Punta Cana. And we've got a Caribbean Pure Wellness room to show you guys. And I'll tell you why it's called Pure Wellness in just a second here. But we got a room tour here for you. Really excited to show you this. We're so excited to be in this room. So yeah, let's get started. So we're going to start our tours like we always do, just kind of back at the doorway here. All right, so this is how you're going to come into the room here through the door, and I can't wait to show you guys this washroom. This is like an amazing, huge washroom here. So first, as you come in, you got two huge mirrors here with lights in them as well. You got a double sink vanity as well, and just check out the fixtures too. They're so cool, like how they turn on like that. We've got like a makeup mirror right here to help get you ready. And then some of the toiletries that come with it is a company called Sweetgrass Skincare. And you got different body lotions and different toiletries here. And yeah, like kind of like a marble countertop for this vanity here. And two really big mirrors just to make the room look even bigger than it does. If we look over this way, you can see there's a giant mirror here too in the washroom to kind of check yourself out. Make sure you're looking spiffy before you head out for the night. And another piece to this washroom here is this huge shower here. So if you look in here, there's so much room in this shower. There's a rainfall shower just here. There's a small little handle too to help shower. And then just over there, there's a spot that you could actually just put your feet up or sit down in the shower. And then also, the hotel provides you with shower gel, conditioners, and shampoos, as well as bars of soap as well. So yeah, it's just like such a luxurious shower. Probably one of the biggest showers we've seen in any of our room tours we've done on YouTube. If we look across from the shower here, it's the toilet. And the toilet does have a door here for extra privacy too, and a frosted glass. And it's quite big in there too. All right, so coming out of the washroom here, we got to kind of keep this luxury up. So we got these big closets here. Just opening this one up to take a peek inside. We've got all kinds of storage here. There's a light inside the closet as well, just to help illuminate things a little bit. There's a luggage rack here at the bottom, which we just haven't pulled out yet to put our suitcases in. We literally just got in the room and we wanted to show you guys this nice room here. And there's a safe that you can program with a code to keep all your valuables safe during your stay. So in this big closet, we've got some drawers here too to set your things. So these drawers just open up. As you can see, you can put some of your stuff here for storage. There's a Hard Rock Hotel slippers here in these little slips. We've got an iron and an ironing board, and then there's a laundry list here you can use to do any laundry here while you're at the resort if you're here for an extended period of time. There's a few hangers here. You can hang your clothing in the closet here. And then the Hard Rock gives you some robes you can wear too. And it's kind of hard to see here, but you can see there's a Hard Rock Hotel and Casino logo here too on these robes. And they're actually like really soft and quite nice. Yeah, lots of storage, lots of space in here. Moving on then into the main living area and bedroom here inside this room. So it's kind of a multi-level as you saw from the beginning of the video. But just off to the left side here, there's a kind of a coffee nook and a minibar here. And everything is all-inclusive here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. So anything you take from the minibar here is included with your package. So I like that they got an espresso here. You can grab one of the pods here from this coffee tray. And they have like a little menu here that shows you kind of what each of the pods kind of represents, just to give you a little bit of some tasting notes. You can pop them in here and you can have an espresso before you head out or in the mornings. And there's some coffee mugs, glasses, and then some water here too. You can see there's a little drawer here too to kind of store any things. There's so much storage in this room. I don't know if you're going to be able to use it all, but it's great that they have that available. So just here they have a little mini bar. So if you open this up, you can see they stock it quite full with different, we got waters, 7-Up, Coke, or I think it's Pepsi and Diet Pepsi. We've got Presidente beer, which is kind of a native beer here in Dominican Republic. And then Presidente Light. And then the bellman and the staff who stocked the mini fridge gave us a little gift when we checked in. They gave us a champagne that we get to enjoy. So thank you to the Hard Rock staff for giving us that. And then they gave us like quite a few more Presidente light beers too, just to make sure we're fully stocked for our trip. Oh, I did forget to mention, there is a little freezer compartment up here too, if you wanted to keep stuff a little extra cold in the mini fridge here. Okay, so from the mini fridge, we have a small little table and some chairs just here. So if you got any room service, this would be a great spot to sit and have some room service. Also, there's another spot down there, and even out on the balcony too, so lots of places to enjoy room service. What I really like here is when you come into the room, they actually give you like a little bit of a welcome here too. So I don't even know what happens here when we click kind of through, so I'm going to actually do this for the first time here. So as we enter here, oh, it gives you a QR code to scan, so you can log into the app or the portal here at Hard Rock and do any kind of like hotel information, reservations, the entertainment schedule. So that's awesome how they do that and just get you all set up as soon as you get into your room. So another thing too they do at Hard Rock, they're just flipping through some of the screens here, and I did confirm that they are doing this right now, is that if you call down to reception, they actually will rent you an electric guitar, and I think possibly an amplifier too, but definitely an electric guitar that you can bring up to your room and play while you're hanging out in the room here. And that's something that like Hard Rock hotels are very known for. So yeah, I think I might actually pick up a guitar. I'm definitely not a guitar player, but I'd like to kind of try one out. But they do require a deposit, just in case you damage anything, that there's a deposit on the guitar. So definitely an awesome perk at the Hard Rock hotels. All right, so yeah, just kind of entering into the Hard Rock kind of portal here on the TV, there's all kinds of stuff you can kind of navigate through. There's different Hard Rock channels. There's even guitar lessons here. Like, that's awesome that they have that. You can get a guitar in your room and practice guitar. There's all kinds of hotel information. There's a QR room service menu just here at the top. Different amenities and movies. You can see like the entertainment schedule. This is great, like awesome portal here on the TV just to make sure you're all fully connected while you're at the resort. So moving on to the rest of the room here. So if we turn over this way, we have the bedroom area. Just beside the bed here, actually let's start with the bed. This is a full king size bed. We hopped on the bed earlier as soon as we got into the room, and it's a super comfortable mattress. And this duvet here on top is so squishy and so comfy. So I'm willing to bet this is going to be a really restful night's sleep and on a super comfortable king size bed here. Just to the right of the beds, there's a bedside table, and they have some like in bedside table lighting as well and some storage there. And then just beside the bed, there's a phone here that connects you to the front desk, concierge, housekeeping, room service, anybody that you need to connect to here at the hotel. And they got something here called the rock line. I don't know what that is. It says need something question mark, and you call the rock line. So not sure what that is, but maybe just like guest services perhaps. But I just love the theming here. Everything's kind of like rock and roll, jamming out, like rock on kind of thing. So it's really neat. Light switches beside the bed. There's different plugs here. There's USBs to charge your devices. And then there's like I think it's a Lutron plug that kind of like changes the lighting system in the room too. So you can kind of dim things in the room. Some bedside lights that are really kind of trendy and modern. And then just beside the bed, they got a reading light too, which is awesome if you shut off all the lights at nighttime, just to create a little bit of light to kind of read and settle in. And if you look up on the headboard here, you can see that there's all kinds of like headboard lighting all around the top of the headboard, which would be really cool at nighttime. And then just even underneath, you can see there's, just beside our luggage here, you can see there's lighting kind of going along the floor as well. So it's just really cool, kind of looks almost like a little stage almost, if you will. Just beside the bed on the left side, another bedside table with some different plugs, USB as well for charging, and then we have the same kind of Lutron device just to sort of like change the different dimness of the light bulbs. Same in bedside table lighting here to create that cool dramatic effect. And then I mentioned before, this room is a pure wellness room, and what that means is basically they have this small little Healthway machine in here that helps kind of decontaminate the room from any kind of microbes, bacteria, viruses, and things like that. And that's something that's a little bit extra just to kind of add into your room. So you have to make sure that you're signing or checking into a room that's a pure wellness room. And I think that's a great idea just to have this, just to give everybody a little bit of peace of mind that they're coming into a very clean and good air quality room. All right, so coming off to the bedroom here, there's a huge kind of glass panel here that separates the living area from the bedroom here. So we got to go down these little steps here. It's a multi-level room, which is cool. And as we do that, we step into the living area here. So there's a big sofa with some pillows here, a really cool light here on the table here beside the sofa. Some awesome artwork here. We got pot lights up in the ceiling as well. A cool chair here, a table kind of just to eat at or kind of hang out at or play some games. And if we swing around this way, there's some artwork on the wall here that's kind of like some music staffs. I think that's the right word for it. And then you can see all these different musical notes here. I don't know, maybe if you might know this piece here, put it down in the comments below. And there's all kinds of like these little picks kind of organized as like little butterflies along this artwork. So yeah, it's really cool. I love this. All right, so from the living space here, one of the nicest features of this room is the balcony. So let's go check it out. So if we open the door here, just unlocking it, and something to note as well is they have these like little guitar stickers on the windows, and that's just to prevent any birds from, you know, flying into the windows, just to identify that there's like an obstacle there. So as we open the terrace door here, or the balcony doors, coming out onto the balcony here, we have two nice chairs, and probably you've seen just on the left side of the frame here, we've got a really, really nice kind of soaker tub here on the balcony. Like, how cool is that? You get to like hang out in this private little soaker tub on your balcony. Another thing, you got these palm trees. There's another villa here beside us too, but there's some palm trees to kind of give us some privacy. We're looking out over the grounds here. We can't really see any pools or beach from our room here, but there are some options to have a ocean view room or ocean view suite, so you can just double check your category of room when you're making your reservations. But yeah, all things considering, this is probably one of the coolest rooms we've stayed at here in our Caribbean adventures here on this YouTube channel. So we're excited to kind of like settle into our room here and enjoy the amenities. And also what we're going to be doing is doing a full tour of the resort. So we'll put that video up on the screen here, and we can find it also down in the description down below. So yeah, so that's gonna do it then for our tour here of the Caribbean Pure Wellness room here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Punta Cana. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.